This is a versatile magnesium-aluminum alloy palletizing robot, adaptable to harsh conditions like corrosion and oxidation. Used across industries for palletizing, from cartons to cosmetics and food. Achieves true 3-hour deployment and 5-minute palletizing startup. The total weight is only 520 kilograms, realizing a new model of industrial upstairs. Features a 55-centimeter adjustable lifting column for versatile palletizing on various floors. Laser-guided to palletize 2 carton sizes simultaneously, sorting them onto designated pallets. The cardboard box can accommodate sizes L130 to 600 millimeters, W80 to 600 millimeters, H90 to 600 millimeters. Can stack 8 to 12 boxes per minute, with a maximum palletizing height of up to 2.2 meters. Pallets feature a simple, practical mechanical positioning system, accommodating up to 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters dimensions. The end effector, fitted with a suction cup, offers a 20-kilogram max load capacity and high flexibility. The robot is equipped with a label orientation function to ensure that shipping labels are correctly positioned. Accessories like grippers and suction cups, along with a 7th axis, are readily integrable for flexible use. The control cabinet features a proprietary integrated design for improved energy efficiency and high configurability. Operate via the touchscreen, inputting box and pallet dimensions as prompted during startup. A palletizing plan is auto-generated with a clear scale model showing the effect. Features zero-power drag calibration, allowing direct suction cup alignment to the pickup point for quick material calibration, boosting efficiency. The machine body is fully servo-controlled, achieving high operating speed and precise positioning. Constructed with premium materials, the equipment is CE and UL certified, meeting global standards and recognized internationally. Advanced electromagnetic brakes for instant lock and safety in collisions, with immediate stop on power loss for stability. If you happen to need end-of-line packaging equipment, feel free to contact us. We offer free custom packaging solutions tailored just for you.